Hello everyone, I am Chandra Prakash Joshi and welcome to iExam for 50% faster preparation. Continuing the series of RBI Grade B preparation before the notification, in this video today I am going to talk you about English. And I think most of you shall be comfortable at least with this level of English which I am going to talk today in this video. Simple day-to-day English and important to understand when you are thinking of becoming a Grade B officer in RBI. You can appear in exam in Hindi medium, but ultimately you will have to clear the phase 1 English paper and also phase 2 descriptive English paper. Though spoken or listening part will not be evaluated for English, but I don't expect anyone who is going to become RBI Grade B officer will not be able to follow what I am going to talk here. I am going to talk about the strategy of cracking English, so I am keeping it in English. When it comes to English, I am also a Hindi medium student. Otherwise, I always recall this popular line of Amitabh Bachchan.
अब तुम शहर में आए हो, ऐसी ही बातें करोगे या तुम्हें इंग्लिश वगैरह भी आती है? वो कर लो बात. अरे बाबूजी ऐसी इंग्लिश आवे that I can leave अंग्रेज behind. You see, sir, I can talk English, I can walk English, I can laugh English because English is a very funny language.
You need not to worry in this exam. You need not to talk in English. Even there will be no listening comprehension test of English interview you can attend in Hindi. But you have to clear the objective exam. Objective English exam in phase 1. If you are really not great in English, you can manage with just the sectional cutoff. But today in this video, I will suggest you shall actually use English to your advantage. Very similar to reasoning. There is very less surprise here in the exam hall. If you have prepared well, you can actually score very well and it will help you in overall cutoff of phase 1. We remind you here that after the notification, the focus will be on the phase 1. You will get some 50 to 60 days here after the notification and the phase 1 exam. And after the phase 1 exam, you have hardly 20-25 days, which will be required, of course, for phase 2 preparation. But the point here I am talking is what are you going to do today before the notification? Because after the notification, phase 1 full-time preparation, GA is infinite syllabus, and you have to practice a lot of QRE, including English strategy I am talking. So right now it is the time to build your fundamentals on QRE. You have to go through previous year paper and the complete coverage also of phase 2 syllabus. I will do separate strategy video, each one for paper of ESI, FM and descriptive writing. Today I am talking about these 30 questions and you have full 25 minutes to answer. The sectional cutoff has been declining last 2 years. It is 4.5 marks only. As I said in the last video, all these sectional cutoff will make only 30 marks. From somewhere you have to get at least additional 25 marks. Those marks can be scored in general awareness. I discussed about that. Can be scored in reasoning, that I discussed, and also can be done in English. You have to identify where you are strong, and I told in general awareness there is a lot of chance factor, but in reasoning and English only the difficulty level of the question may vary in the exam. These 25 minutes you have, and you know English won't take much time in calculations. If you have prepared well, these 25 minutes will be good enough to attempt all 30 questions. You attempt 20, you attempt 18, you attempt 15. It depends on you. But English is definitely a very scoring topic. Let me show you the analysis of last 7 years reading comprehension. See, highest number of questions are on RC, reading comprehension, sentence rearrangement, fill in the blank, error detection, which will be based on the rule of grammar, close sentence. Last year, 5 questions. Earlier also these were there. Connectors, in many years questions were there on this. Word swapping was asked in 21 and 19 here. And then correct word uses, word, idioms, phrases, verbs, idioms. So to me, definitely this reading comprehension looks like most scoring one. I won't call it a low-hanging fruit. Sometimes you may be good in doing a grammar question, a sentence correction with less effort, but the number of questions on that are lesser. Reading comprehension questions are there every time. If you understand the technique of reading comprehension, how to read a passage and how to find out the right answer of the question, the beauty of this is the answer of the question is written in the passage. You go in the exam hall with the skill to identify the question, not with any memory. It is like an open book exam for you. Start with basic grammar, high school level. You do with the course I am going to show you, or you may take a high school level book like Wren and Martin. You have to read a lot for reading comprehension. In this reading, you will also build a vocabulary. Please understand, this is a test of English language. You have to command over language, whether it is grammar or vocabulary or understanding, I would suggest you read English newspaper. Most of these reading comprehension, the paragraph will be something which is happening in the current situation. So reading these editorial will help you a lot. Don't try to build a vocabulary by reading a word list or by reading a dictionary. It is a waste of time. Practice questions. Practicing questions helps you in identifying the exact answer of the question in the paragraph or an error in the sentence or fill in the blank. Then you have to also understand some exceptions of the grammar rules. First, you have to understand grammar rules, then you will go to the exceptions. Previous year questions are must. अगर आपकी इंग्लिश सच में ही बहुत खराब है तो आप मिनिमम मार्क्स लाने की सोच सकते हैं कि मैं कट ऑफ ले आऊं, बट फिर भी मैं आपको बता दूं कि फेज 2 की तैयारी तो आपको करनी होगी। फेज 2 में 100 मार्क्स का इंग्लिश डिस्क्रिप्टिव स्कोरिंग हो जाएगा। आप हिंदी मीडियम के विद्यार्थी हैं, बहुत अच्छी बात है। ऑफिस में जाने के बाद काम तो अंग्रेजी में करना ही होता है, इसलिए ये बहुत जरूरी है कि आपको इंग्लिश लर्न करनी पड़ेगी। इंग्लिश से आप डर के नहीं रह सकते। इंग्लिश लिखनी और पढ़नी आपको अच्छे से आनी चाहिए। फॉर फेज 1 इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज वी हैव ऑल दिस टॉपिक, पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच, टेंस, आर्टिकल डिटरमाइनर्स, vocabulary, active, passive, direct, indirect, subject, verb agreement, phrasal verb, idiom phrases, spotting errors, fillers, sentence improvement, sentence rearrangement, sentence connectors, word swapping, word uses, coherent paragraph, match the column, close passage, reading comprehension. If I go to reading comprehension, you have to do all these topics. I am telling you, it is very, very important to build your fundamentals, and ultimately it is all one, that is mastering the English. In reading comprehension, you have to first understand some of the basics
in
of
this video, we will see comprehending than mere reading. Because if we read
reading comprehension, like when we read fast, that is better comprehension because our mind is very, very active. Then you have to identify the keyword. The questions are asked on keywords. If you have any questions, you can ask on this asked out. You can also make your notes here. The most important point here, once you got the fundamentals, is doing this test: easy level test, moderate level test, and difficult level test. Among all these topics, which one is more important? All these combinedly help you in reading comprehensions. I would say reading comprehension is most important because, as we saw in the exam analysis, all these years maximum number of questions have been asked from reading comprehension side. If you want to score in English, you can't escape this, and this is the easiest in the sense, as I said, the answers are given in the paragraph. You have to learn how to spot it. Two things I want to mention about the English. One is that those who don't come from the English background, English medium background, they shall not fear English. It's a language and fairly widely used language. So you spend some time here, you spend by reading, and you will pick up. You have to do reading simultaneously knowing the rules by studying the rules of the grammar. I mentioned the topics here. Secondly, those who come from the English medium background, to them also I want to tell, don't you think that you know the correct English. You may be able to speak in English, but many a times you don't know where to use its ITS and where to use ITS its with a apostrophe comma. Do you know this? It's a simple one. Do you know advise the verb, advise the noun? There is a difference in the spelling. Likewise, there are very simple things. You practice here and you will master this. The last thing, English is one asset you have wherever you work. Wherever I am telling you, whether it is in government sector or in private sector, in India or abroad, this language will help you. Will only help you in doing whatever you do. Right now, focus on your preparation. Don't wait for RBI Grade B notification. Once it comes, it will become very, very difficult for you to clear the exam in 2024. This is your time. This is your opportunity. Download previous year paper right now. If you have any question, please ask in the comment. You are learning from these videos. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. We are here to make your job preparation 50% faster. Thank you. All the best.